Problem number 2. Circle the set of points that satisfies a linear function. A linear function will consist of a set of data that has a constant rate of change. The constant rate of change is also called the slope. Okay, so let's see if we could get the constant rate of change. You want to look at the differences in your x and the differences in your y's. Okay, so on this one, from 3 to 6, we're going to add 3. From 6 to 9, we add 3. But from 9 to 11, we only add 2. That eliminates that choice. On this one, from 5 to 7, we add 2. From 7 to 9, we add 2. And from 9 to 11, we add 2. That checks. From 9 to 8, you subtract 1. From 8 to 7, you subtract 1. And from 7 to 6, you subtract 1. This one works, doesn't it? So this one would be circled. Okay, let's go to here. Negative 2 to positive 2 is an add 4. 2 to 6, you add 4. 6 to 10, you add 4. That checks, doesn't it? We keep adding 4. Down here, 10 to 13, you add 3. 13 to 16, you add 3. And 16 to 19, you add 3. That checks too, doesn't it? So this one also has a constant rate of change. On this one, our constant rate of change would be y's over x. Slope would be negative 1/2. On this one, we would have what? 3 over 4, wouldn't it? The differences of y's over the x's, right, would be your slope or your constant rate of change. On the last one, 15 to 13, you subtract 2. 13 to 11, you subtract 2. And 11 to 9, you subtract 2. That checks. 6 to 9, you add 3. 9 to 12, you add 3. And 12 to 14, you only add 2. That 2 makes it incorrect. So the second and the third one are points on a linear function, and their slopes would be negative 1/2 and 3/4, wouldn't they? They have a constant rate of change.